I really want to be like something in like 2 years.
You have a habit of smelling everything.
I love this. I swear by this. It's a little bit pricey, but it's really good. Oh my god, I'm a genius. It's first day of school. I'm kind of excited. And yeah, let's just do like a little get ready with me. Although I have put on some skincare. I don't know why I'm breaking out so much these days. But yeah, I've got some news. Not news, just some random update. Is that your girl, me, took pharmacy for general education. Hopefully it's gonna be a very fun class, although it's gonna be a torture for my GPA. I'm just gonna put on some concealer and eyebrow and then oh, and another thing, I have to go to school every freaking day, Monday to Friday. Okay, it's gonna be fun. I wasn't filming during my break because I'm like trying to like have some good habits, like rebuilding my habits, because I really want to be like something in like 2 years. So I'm giving myself 2 year time to work out, to study harder. Like, I'm doing absolutely anything to improve myself. So it's gonna be a like really fun journey for me. I may not be recording every moment of it because I'm trying to live in the moment. This one. I'm just gonna put on my ring. My perfume, Marc Jacob. Yep. It's almost gone. I'm excited because I want to try a new perfume. But I'm the type of person to finish perfume before trying on another one. So yeah. Aha. You have to spray on my jacket. Smells good. Okay, my mom literally got me this like a year or two ago. She bought it because she loved this one. So yeah, it smells pretty good. It smells like flower. Okay, I just want to show you before I put on my jacket. Look at this super clean look. This is what like I'm trying to achieve in my fit school, like very classy. Okay, a little bit, okay, my clothes are a little bit weird, but like, it's very pretty outside. Look. I love this. I really love this vibe. It's very old money vibe, you know, and that's what I'm going for. But let me show you the whole fit. I'm in love. So I'm planning to put on this really cute sweater because it's cold. It's winter here, by the way. It's still cute. And matching with my white shoe. Oh my god, I love this so much. just got back from school and I'm gonna have my last meal. Dinner slash, yeah, dinner, whatever. Okay, this is what I got. Just the same as lunch and breakfast. But yeah, and I also got 2 oranges, an apple, and a yogurt bowl. First day of class is pretty fun. Went to pharmacy class. I love it in a sense, like what they're talking about and stuff is like pretty interesting. So hopefully it's gonna be fun. And yeah, it's just 1 hour class and I have to prepare all those. I have to like, you know, wake up early and stuff just for that 1 hour. Disadvantage of living far away, but no complaints. Still pretty fun. I like when school opens because it makes me feel make me feel productive. I don't have to like go out of my way to be productive. So yeah, I like it. I also received a package, so I'll be opening that after I eat. I also got some reading to do for my classes. Hey guys, so I got a package and I'm on call with my bestie across the world. But yeah, let's open this together. I don't know what this is. I think it's my skincare though.
Can I?
Yeah, of course.
Dude, I want to go partying with you.
Me too. I want to move to you. Move to you. Move.
You should though, right?
I think I will though. I don't think I will. I don't think I will be like living here, like, you know, like far away from like you guys. Yep, it's my skincare. Oh, I have a code. Oh right, I have a code. I think this is from Yes Style, and I have a code for discount. I have like 2 packages, but this is the second one. Where's the first one? So I got a new skin. This one is a new skincare, and this is my go-to oat and calming gel cream. This is advised by my dermatologist back home, and I got a Cleo Kill Bill eyeliner, brown color.
Cleo's good.
Yeah, it's not bad. So Yes Style is a very good app. Like, I like it, and they're very authentic too. And this is like a gift. I probably won't use it. Do you ever use gift stuff? Do you ever use like gifts? Like,
yeah, I do.
I don't do
No,
it.
but only sometimes because I'm not that. Okay, I can have rigs.
Yeah,
trying
exactly.
a new product and like get pimples overnight.
This eye cream. I don't use eye cream. But yeah, this is what I got. We continue talking to my best friend. So yeah, bye. Hey guys, so
I told my
I totally
Wait, did you open that already?
I totally forgot to show you guys what's inside. And I was like saying, oh, I forgot. And Grace was like, you should pretend that you never opened it before and then do it again. I was like, no, that's too fake. So let me show you what's inside.
Did you open the box already?
I opened this, okay? And I forgot to show. That's why I'm filming again. So.
Ooh, interesting. Wow.
So this is the one that I got. It's very cute. It's brown color. Oh, it is brown color. Kasi ikaw lang magkaulate, daily message.
Ako Công Can I
yeah. So that's what I got. Okay, I have not opened it, okay? Please. I'm not faking, okay? It's not open yet. Actually, I don't want to even open it because I can open this. This is for a mask. I was telling my dermatologist that I want to like use a face mask, and he suggested this one. It's blue. It's very cute. Let me smell it. I have a habit of smelling everything. Oh, it smells so good.
That's kind of weird, dude.
Really? Don't
No, I mean, like, it sounds weird. You have a habit of smelling everything.
You're the one who is green-minded, okay? It smells normal. That's that, and this is this I have shown before. I've used this. This is just restocking it. It's pretty fast though. But yeah, let's wait for another batch. Where did I got that batch? And why is it late? This is the second batch. The first batch is not even here, but the second batch is. Oh, Grace, I have to show you something. I got this.
Where did you buy it?
From China. I ship it from China.
Taobao?
Yeah. I bought like a bunch of things.
What's that?
I also got like a cabinet for my yarn.
Wait, I want to see. Wait, that's actually very cool. Wait, I want to see it again.
It's very heavy. It also got like these.
Dude,
it's super cool. And this side is like this.
Oh, wow! I need that.
It's cheap.
Never mind. I'm moving in 5 months.
It's from China, so it's pretty cheap. But the shipping fee was like $200. But like a lot of stuff. I got like 2 small sofa, a table, and that cabinet, and then this one. And like my brother's clothes.
Oh.
Yeah, normally this would cost like $60 here. I found it on Shein, but like it was like $60 or like $100, I'm not sure. And I was like, what the fuck? But then like if you, I don't know if it works or not because the shipping fee is pretty expensive. But I think it's worth it though. Because my Chinese friends, they were like, it's pretty worth it.
Oh, okay, sure.
That's what they say though. I'm not sure. My brother was like,
but you still got chairs? Wait, I want to see your chairs.
It's still packed. I will show you when I move downstairs.
Oh, wait, no, don't you have like a picture?
No. So yeah, I'm done this time. I will see you in next clip. I don't know what I'll be doing, but see ya. Hey guys. So today I got one economy class. So this is my outfit. It's a pretty yellow suit with like turtleneck underneath and match it with my sneaker and my backpack. And for the hair, I just put on a headband. Kind of late, so yeah, let's go to school. I received a package today again. This is basically what I was saying about style. I don't know if I talked about it like really well yesterday because I was on call with Grace. So yeah, style is a website where you can buy skincare products and it ships internationally, so I think if you're anywhere in the world, you can definitely get it. This package is what I've been waiting for. I ordered twice because I forgot to order the one that I got yesterday. It packed really well too. I got the ordinary serum. This is for the pimples and stuff. This is Cha-Cha. It's a cute one. I don't see much difference, but I'm still gonna use it still. And then I got my Laneige lip mask. I love this. I swear by this. It's a little bit pricey, but it's really good. Like really good. And I got this one in the big size. This is the 20 gram. So it's this big, and it comes with this little thingy. Hey, why is it open? You know? Oh, smells super cute. It's berry. I want you to buy something else, but I was like, oh, why not? Let me just stick to this. From home, I just got like this small little bottle. Look at the comparison. Love it. I got my green tea fresh toner. This is a restock. Looks like this. I'm still using it, so it's not all gone. Therefore, I'm not gonna open it. And I got setting spray. I don't know what brand this is, but hopefully it's good. It's pink. Oh, it's so tiny. So, this smells pretty good. It's cute too. It's pink. I love anything that's pink. So this is gonna be my first makeup. What do you call this? Setting spray. Got a lip balm. I don't know what brand this is, but this is gift. So yeah. And I have a code, so make sure you use it if you're gonna order some stuff from YesStyle. Hey guys, this is the fit for today. I've worn this before, but I really wanted to wear it again because look at it, it's super cute, super pretty. And I match it with my Versace bag and my Versace boots. So yeah. And I only have one class today, so it's pretty fun. Got some snacks, and I'll be meeting Candy. I'm pretty early as I come to school with Ubers. I just got back from school and it's still pretty early. There's only one class today. Well, mostly there's only one class, but I got a package. It's earlier than I expected, so I'm super happy. I'm very happy whenever my package arrives right before, like, you know, pretty early. And I need this just on time because tomorrow I have a class, like the whole day class from 9 to 5 p.m. and I was like planning to bring food along, and I haven't got my lunchbox yet, like little lunchbox that I wanted, and it just arrived today. Isn't that like perfect timing? Yeah. This little lunchbox. So it's like this small little lunchbox. Look how small this is compared to a phone. Comes in a little chopstick. And this will come with this elastic, so make sure that it isn't open when I'm like muting and stuff. It's really cute, I love it. I got it with this little bag. It's really cute. What the freak? So it's just like this. Of course I have to get it in sushi because I love sushi. So, oh, it's pretty big. I can put snacks too. And then I just love like cute stuffs. So this is what I will be bringing tomorrow. I'm excited. It's very cute. I love it. This one, however, is much nicer quality. Like, okay, this is because I'm trying to eat small portion. However, this is really good. It's so cute. I love the color. If you notice, I'm trying to choose colors that are like, you know, neutral tones. Oh, this is microwavable. It's quite big. And for its utensil, you just spoon and fork. Oh, it's so cute. Now I get why my mom loves to buy like these little things, containers and stuff. I get it. It's fun. I think it's gonna fit. Please fit. It fits. I was scared because the dimension it showed on the website was like not very sure. So, but it fits so well. I can even still put snacks in it inside. I shouldn't be snacking, but I'm having a little bit of a problem with like binging on snack because since I'm like on diet, I do restrict myself, but maybe I shouldn't do that. I'm not sure. I still try to figure it out. Another one is this one. This is pretty big. I was expecting a small one. I wanted a small one because I was planning to make like a healthy like overnight tiramisu inside. I don't want big. What am I gonna do with this big? You can put like sauce inside. And okay, this is actually for like a salad bowl. Like you put like your salad and then like dressing. Oh, this is cute. But I don't think I'm gonna use this though. It's so big. I was planning to buy it. I thought it was gonna become small. Damn it. So I got myself a pink plate. I'm gonna use this. I'm freaking gonna use this in a while. What the heck? This is super cute. Oh, I forgot it comes with utensils. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, I also got like fruit cutter because I saw like a fruit, like an edible bouquet, which is like with food, and I kind of want to make it for like people like care for and like, okay, maybe not like that, but like, you know, I just want to make some like bouquet of fruits. So I got these. Yeah, I'm spending way too much. And I got some crop top, not crop top, sorry, some, oh, that's huge. This is excess. This is quite big on me. Okay, I might try to wear this, but it's really cute because I'm trying to buy like tight clothes because you know, I don't want to like gain weight and stuff. So I love this one. You can organize your things in like a tote bag. I have like 2 tote bags for school. So yeah, it's pretty cute. I don't know if it's gonna fit my iPad though. But it's like, you know, at least I can put some stuff without messing it up. So I got this in beige. Everything is like very neutral color. I'm obsessed with neutral color these days. Black, white, beige. What else? Gray, dark green. Like, you know, very classy vibe. And I got these chain stuff for my crochet bag because I don't want to crochet the straps, so I'm gonna have these. So my idea was like to attach the straps directly to this. Okay, well, what the freak? You see, my brain works so well when it comes to these creative stuff, but I never freaking like, my brain doesn't work when it comes to studying. So, but y'all, look at this. The length, everything is so perfect. What the heck? This is so cute. I can't. Oh, wow. Bro, and I can put in my phone. Let's see. And I got this cute case. Phone. Oh. It's perfect. Oh my god. I'm a genius. I'm very genius when it comes to creativity, but not in study. I should be good in my study too, but I'm not. But yeah, look, I'm creative. My mom doesn't know I have a YouTube either, so thank God she doesn't know I have YouTube. If she see me buying so many stuff, she's gonna But this is a success. So I got one more. I'm gonna make another one because this is not the size that I want. So should I gift it? Should I gift this? Like, I don't know if I put a gift there. This is perfect. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna have some food in a while. 3 p.m. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a very busy day for me because school stuff. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film a lot, but I will try my best to film as much as I can. So yeah, see you. Morning. It's currently 5:30. I have a class at 9, so I have to get there around 8:30. So I have to leave from my place 7:30 to catch the bus and then go, because it takes like an hour from North Shore to the city. The only downside of living in the North Shore is that it's quite far from the city. But other than that, it's perfect. I like to do this face roller thingy just to make my skincare look bougie. Okay, maybe that's how I brainwash myself. But it is actually good for your face, your skin, keep bloating. And I ate too much biscuits yesterday, so I gained a little bit of weight today. I have like a habit of like binging on snacks. I love snacks a little bit too much, so it's gonna be a problem. The day before I also binge. The day before is actually when I actually binge, but I binge on like healthy food, like bread and yogurt. I had like too much, but yesterday was snacks, so yeah, maybe that was the reason. Maybe I should just eat more bread. I love bread though. And I have bread. My best friend Jasmine, she has a dog. His name is Blue, and he loves bread so much. So every time like he sees bread, he go viral. Like, he's crazy. He would do anything for a slice of bread. Funny thing, I never eat bread back home, but like here I kind of start eating all the food I never eat back home. It's very funny. So this is the fit for today. Just a really cute brown set, hoodie set. It's with my shoe and my bag and my headphone. lunchbox. It's super cute. And it's so cold, it's 9 degrees. It's big. But yeah, walking to the bus station now. Hey guys!
Hello. Hello.
We're walking to another class.
Yeah.
We had the whole day in the studio.
9 to 5, just like
9 to 5, 9 to 3.
Still going on.
Super cold today. I wore too little. So freaking cold.